First of all, say before I go do any intro, Minz dey the building. How about now? How the music journey don't be so far?
It just they make sense more and more.
More and more, right?
As it just they grind. You self know the last time I come here now.
So now why? Because every single time I see people who I know, they move from one level to another higher level. They suit me for body. Because now if you make matter, now my guy be that. Now my guy, I know Minz. Now Minz. Now me they report together. You get on the beauty of people around you. They grew. You get, and they always work on that arrangement. I know when you release Lady Give Us. I said last time. Now you come here last time. Lady, was it Lady?
I think
Naija FM.
No. Now lady now.
Now lady.
Yeah.
I don't miss you now.
You don't tell you. That's like almost like 2 years ago. 2 years ago. So from Lady Waka can reach now. I believe I know so you see get your D with Empower, which we will talk about very soon. You don't give us his songs, your own songs, do collabo with some artists. The last one when he Sweet Me for Body, now the one with Davido. How WAP take come about? You cannot say before that you be the promote shadow.
Yes.
So how WAP with Davido take come about?
Okay, so even the last time I come here, I tell you say I did work on my album.
Yeah.
So I don't work on my album for a while.
Okay.
And the thing be say, imagine when I started work on my album, I don't even get features. I just do my thing by myself. You know. Then as time when they go. And the music they make more sense, you know. People they see say okay, people can they recognize. So fortunately for me, person we really care about my career, we want make I grow. He did very cool with Davido. So
who be that person?
No, that I know if that person they anonymous, but that person very like
not be Mr. Easy.
Mr. Easy himself play role for the
role
thing
inside. Okay, but this particular person,
this particular person even introduced me to Mr. Easy. You get some people for your life where you know
you need to hold that person strong.
Yeah, so for real. Okay. So basically, in play my music for Davido, and as in they play for Davido really vibe with that one. So you get so in connect to him. They call me say David is already vibing. He has a verse
already,
bro. I think saying a lie. I said you didn't want me, bro. Before I know, they say they put me for group chats with Davido. I said, okay, it's getting real.
Wow.
He texts me saying, I pull up to the studio.
That's David that can't test me pull up.
Yes, I pull up to the studio, record bro. Even that time, I never even fly come up for this Africa before. I can't go Paris. I can't see him for his show.
Yeah, went over Paris.
Yeah, bro. Like, as in they do rehearsals and see me, he can hug me, say, you don't blow now.
Confirm. Because everybody knows most time before David go even jump on top your song, your song supposed to be everywhere. So because of that love, he go let's go you get. So for David to jump on top song when he never even from scratch just because he feel it clearly shows that God's doing on top. But how it don't be since the release of WAP though? I know say your numbers shoot.
Yeah, like this. No, you go well, like, and the thing is, I can't even wait make people hear the whole album, make them hear the way the songs align for inside the album. That song masterpiece, and by the time the album drop, you go still get more life.
And this album will drop next month, if I did correct, 16th of August.
It's so close.
So how many track album would you look at right now?
Now 14, but it includes like some previously
released songs.
Yeah, like what they did.
Okay.
You get, but like is a dope body of work.
Shadow go there.
Shadow na make I know to talk. By the time you hear Shadow in the album, you go understand.
You go understand the template of the album.
Exactly, you get.
Okay, for more take a step back right now. For those who don't know you, some people your face say maybe not like yesterday don't bust in enter the music industry. But on a low, you will senior some of the OGs. Now just say that now.
I get baby face.
You get baby face when all they change. Yeah, because I remember your colored hair years ago. How it start. So how long you know they do music professionally, Minz?
I go say like the first official music where I put out now 2016, where I know say okay me and Zua
8 years ago.
Me and Zua we enter through lyric, go print CD, we share like it's in 2016. And it's been a journey since then. Everything just
and you see they with Zua now.
Yeah, no, my
shout out to my
twin.
Yeah, I see. So what you go say be that significant step when you don't take from 2016 Waka reach now when it don't make you record this immense growth? What be that step when you just elevate, you come up from here, enter here?
I think for the longest, waiting I've been they do now, just they push them on my own. But I don't feel like I thank God for Empower. Because ever since I entered that setting, that's not the first time a person say, okay, make we support this boy. You get even how Wawa take happen. I go Cotonou with Mr. Easy, and after the camp, like I just the vibe where I did on, because normally I did on my own. I did be like introverts, you get, but on my account they come outside more. And as I can't come outside, I just say, okay, like it is, like there are different ways to do things. So I can't record Wawa, and everything has just been going up and
smoothly.
Up. So I thank God for Empower. Like it really, really changed the game for me, and as it changed, things can they elevate more. Like now, that kind of settings give me opportunity for Davido to do on my song. If I still do on my own, if it's like the song, I know.
If you
nothing there to gain.
So and I also believe that still because of that, Mr. Easy and Power effect. Now why techno also
yes, so
because techno now partner for Empower right now.
Yes.
According to waiting the let us know. It's not an artist. Okay, be artist partner. More you put it like that. So how the whole collabo take come about with techno? Can I say this one go day recent? Don't be say you don't take one
recent. So me, when I record the song now, when I even go Berlin at the beginning of this year.
Wait, so to record he's trying to travel out of Nigeria, Cotonou.
Oh, more.
Yeah, you say you did Paris one. Okay, now record out for Nigeria. Come meet you and Davido.
Yes, no, what happened for Nigeria? But this Shadow and Diallo.
Yeah.
As I go Obodo like this, it be like the idea just they come my head. So now, so I record Sha. Okay. But basically, how techno came into the picture. Easy been they like try like ginger 1 or 2 for me, because I'm a solid guy for my life. So you can tell me say make I link techno, and for me they crazy because when I first start music, that 2016 we had the
techno na superstar
nah. Like I they sit down for inside my room, they make beats we go sound like Pana. You get, and they crazy. Even those songs where I do that it still changed my life. But to come finally do song with him,
somebody when they look up to.
Exactly, and we connect like sharp.
So now you by yourself message techno on the directive of Mr. Easy.
He share the number with me. They talk small, then in case make I pull up. Vibe once.
For Berlin, I've been seen Nigeria.
For Nigeria.
Okay, get inspiration from our side. Come and record in Nigeria.
International collab.
I'm not gonna lie. I be big fan of Diallo's since I listened on Thursday night before the official day. I be like, hey God, Minz don't this song will scatter everywhere right now. So already we don't get like close to like 3 songs or 4 songs where don't they release
for the album
from the album. What will be the title of this album?
By Any Means.
Like
one way or the other.
That's a self-titled album.
Yes,
though.
no. By Any
Means. How many collabs go there? We don't know of 2.
So even myself, I know if he count them, but like.
But I'm supposed to make the choice of this.
Make the album. He did now. Okay. He don't. Everything done this submitted
already.
You get, but like I never actually calm down, count the features. But he did.
Any feature day?
Yes, now.
Who?
I did for my ladies, and the female feature we actually did.
Yeah.
She's not even from Nigeria. She's very, very. Like, I can't wait for people to hear.
Yeah,
I can't wait.
It's not, you don't want to talk in name, so more your shock when it come outside.
No, maybe just they see.
Okay, more talking about the producer side of you. You see, they produce your songs till now. You just let people do it for you.
I do produce still, but like what I do now is I do work smarter. Make I know just you get like so, because it takes a lot to put out like all these ideas and everything. But like I believe now in collaboration. So I feel get idea and I feel work with another person to
bring the idea
to life. So production is not just make you just make beats all the time. You feel just even every session where I did always give ideas. Do like this. You get, so now so I do my thing. So I'm still a producer like deep down.
But you know they produce for other people.
You don't take where I do. But I no go mind though. It be like say this year after I drop my album I go try that.
You go explore that area
because it ain't necessary.
Yeah. So which one come first? Now the artist have the production.
Now the artist too,
Now
for me,
confess.
but there's a balance. Both are very important.
Okay.
You get, but for me, before I even start, they make beats. The beats where I they make now because I don't see anybody to give me beats. You get, so I just say make I just
economizing.
Exactly. Nobody cut my neck.
Yeah. Okay. Talking about songwriting right now, you know, say Nigeria don't welcome the art of songwriting and songwriter. Before, if person help you write song, they will give and credit self. So they add it because you not a bit single, but this is, bro. People now when they will write song, give you now the song they sweet pass. You get me? So you write your own songs, you also then employ songwriters.
I write my songs, and then I also get trusted people where we say if I do session with them, I know say our ideas go tally. You get now one thing for somebody to write song for you fully, you don't even know what thing they go on, but like literally you and person they share ideas because one head to be two heads
is better than one.
You get, so like most sessions, even for Afrobeats now, the way we they go with our writing, we they put in more effort and everything. So like ideas are very welcome. Me, I know they do like say now only
you sabi.
You get.
So talking about the whole movement of Afrobeat, which they the heavy landscape right now. So they generally. You create a subcategory under Afrobeat. That the Afrobeat itself.
Afro this one, Afro that, Afro church. Oh boy.
So which one you they identify with?
Yeah, they do Afrobeats.
Afrobeat itself.
Yeah, so everything is under the umbrella of Afrobeats. You can never forget that.
Yeah.
You get, but sometimes person they bring your own touch to You get if we do undeniable. Like where my album now.
Yeah.
If they undeniable, say now like. Rage. You get like rave type
by the
of
end
energy.
Of the day.
You know, still Afrobeats. You get, so me now I have to do Afrofusion. You get, and
now you and Bonabo they say now they say category.
Yeah, so that kind of thing you get. So I do Afrofusion, and obviously as I do expand more, I go get where I go. Okay, this is not my niche. Some people they call me Ote. But I don't even really see myself in any box.
Movements be heavy one time, but not be now like that again.
The team say if you fresh and if you make some kind of sound. They go just talk say you be out there. As long as you know they do gra, you know they.
Yeah, you know they do.
Yeah. But there's a balance, and for me, like that's why it's a fusion because I feel go make war, I feel make lady, but I feel still make Diallo.
Diallo joiner. So you almost experiment with all different sounds.
Yes.
Okay, that now Abon by any means they call, which now also that name, that particular title of Abon, they also double as your own self record label.
Yeah.
Which so you and Empower to be like partnership day.
Yes.
Not be full recording day.
Nah. Okay, so basically now like we first started as just distribution.
Okay.
But now we don't like partners properly and more like they are more into what I'm doing. You get like we work like in sync now. Before, if you distribute to person, you know even guys really they you get really guys they align. But now we they fully aligned. Yeah, so it's family.
Oh, but this gonna be your second album, right?
This is my first album,
very first
my debut
album. You don't drop any like EP?
No. I don't stack.
Wait, since all these years you never drop any EP before?
So for me, my first project, my debut project, I've never felt like I be some kind maybe say anything but like the vibe where I get they fair to put them into like just a few you get, but like as time goes on I just need to make I drop this my first body of work, make complete experience Minz you get means. Yeah, then after that you can
draw small
exactly but like it's just what my music deserves. My music deserves to be like a full course meal, not be.
Okay, so we go. They wait for that full course meal on the 16th of August. But before we move on right now, how old Minz be? Because for my head, I know say when you start 2016, you not really be small picking like that. So
when I start for 2016, I actually just finished uni.
The person when finish uni, not be small. So how old Miss be?
I don't go. Maybe then go use internet. Go to find news. It not I know they talk.
Miss, your age not there.
Maybe then just they look
because
like
this your
small humble boy.
No, this your baby face. It they deceive us. If you they drag age with black bones.
Black Bones too is just a kid. We are just kids.
No, Black Bones. No, you know when I know Black Bones 2012. And they matured that year and a kid that year you get. But anyway, so wait, Black Bones do remix now. So you go make the album.
Yes, now.
Oh, what
remix with the album.
The album.
I even get more
with Black Bones.
That's my brother.
Okay.
So I don't give you expo like that.
We they watch out 10 track album.
14.
14. So 4 don't come as like 10 brand new ones. Yes, never hear before.
Brand new.
So this will be the last single you will drop before the release of the album, right? Yeah. Okay, so we wait for that one. For those who like, go check out your music right now. Where they feel easily get them.
It did everywhere. It did Audio Mac. It did Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, depending on what thing they use. And now the same name Minz. Just search Minz Diallo, Minz Wawo, or just search Minz.
You need to spell that Minz because
M-I-N-Z.
Before they go to spell M-A-N. M-I-N-Z. And your official YouTube channel also for because I don't say WAP get sweet video, beautiful video. Who shoot that video?
Naija Ajala.
Oh, and Lagos na shoot.
Yeah, na Lagos.
How long it take to take?
One full day. You know, even start the shoot till like night. And baddest pull up like for me like 1 a.m. and in day there till you
like
know
daybreak,
like
to No, baddest that correct. I think one thing about baddest now say the moment he like your sound, he dey poor body, he dey do am. And there was no like charging of collabo and the rest.
I won't take the run now.
You people,
you won't send me go back my village.
Anyway, so by any means the album the drop by Minz on the 16th of August. So watch out. Any settling down for you in coming years? Have you not settled down already?
I never settled down, but as a man, you guys the reason I'm like. Okay. But me, I know the reason the conventional way of just
you want to do baby mama?
No, be say I want to do baby mama.
So if you know the reason conventional way, which one?
But things will. When we get to that bridge, we go cross.
But how your love life currently be right now? Because you be like the ladies man. Though.
Yeah, my love life this sweet.
Stable relationship at this moment.
I don't like to talk too much, but like I'm happy. I have a happy home.
And the moment they don't talk, like you know, say somebody do. You don't want to. If you don't get, you have to say no get because they're outside. You get me. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. I wish a more time day for us to take communicate more. Which producer I say you work with on top of this body of work?
Mike Bangers, 255, Ozedikos, who else? Different people, different
producers.
Yeah, different producers. You go find them, hit makers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we go expect like a concert from you.
Yeah, for sure. By any means. Live show.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. And listening party go also
listening. Yeah.
Go also did it.
I go invite you now. No, I feel even come here and give some free.
You need to. If you not invite me, no say problem. Why you do like this? Anyway, time for stopping by. We wish you more success. In fact, we not just feel ways to enjoy that album. If I feel forward the date right now to 16th of August, I'll forward them. Or if I feel leak, I will leak. But then again, I don't want to spoil your business. We'll wait for the 16th of August for the album by any means by Minz. And you do open for collabo right now.
Like this period, as I make I first drop
your body of work first.
Yeah.
Okay, before you go do anything like collabo.
Yes. But like I did very open minded. Make I just first drop this
work.
Yeah, this album.
But what will be your relationship with your other guys when they do your level? Like
I get some real people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get some real what's it call them? Brothers for this industry. You know, say this industry are very cutthroat. Sometimes the person could do like say he care about you, but not really. But me, I didn't know how to, like
select your clique.
Exactly, like just
so who they
Black na my guy for sure. Black na my guy. Who else? You get a lot of other guys, but like that na one person I have to talk say okay.
That's Black Bones 247.
Yeah.
Your real names and where you come from. Somebody just send a message now.
My real name is Oluwadamilola Aminu. I come from Oyo State.
Oluwadamilola Aminu.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Oyo State. Where for Oyo State?
Ibadan.
But now they born you.
No. Lagos.
Lagos.
Surulere.
Oh, Surulere.
Yeah, for Aguda.
Oh, but he got the precise
Yes,
of the
no, I got
location.
Lagos.
So it be full Lagos breed. Anyway, thank you, Jare. That's I better repeat the name again.
Oluwadamilola Aminu.
Aminu. So where did Minz come from?
Kind of Aminu.
Aminu. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. You get one guy who been just they call me Minu, and I been not like him, so I just tease him up.
Imagine say your name na Minu. It is a brand new music. Diallo by Minu.
No, oh God.
Tony Techno. You go have to change that, bro.
You go still go.
Anyway, thank you very much.